Okay, today we'll be looking at the Subaru oil filter, number 15208AA15A. And I got this at SubaruParts.com for $6.40 plus shipping. But you may be able to get it cheaper somewhere else. And this filter fits your Subaru engines. Yep, your Subaru Boxer engines. So let's get started. This is some for, you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration of 90 millimeter. Okay, the filter comes wrapped in plastic, no box. Let's take a look at it here. Made in USA. I believe this is a date code, A13223. She has 10 inlet holes. You see a metal core with holes. Looks to be a bypass valve down below. And that looks to be a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. Nitro rubber gasket. Fits right inside the groove here. Yeah, it's got a nice little lip there. Comes off easier and it goes back on. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, that all looks nice. Yeah, these threads feel a little sharp here. Yeah, I could cut myself pretty easy on that. And it looks like it has something right here. I don't know what that is, but you can see something right in here. Something black. Maybe some kind of plastic spacer. Like I say, we open this baby up. Engine right on top here. Let's open this baby up and see what's inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 180 grams. The base plate weighs 81 grams. Let's take a look at this base plate. And notice there's not many threads here. See, there's not too many. There's like about 3. A lot of inlet holes though, so that's nice. And you get your anti-drain back valve, which is nitro rubber. Covers up the holes nicely. And the filter element. Filter element weighs 40 grams. The metal crimp seam. And I counted 49 pleats. And I couldn't find any information on the filter media, so I don't, what you see is what you get. I don't have no micron rating or what it's made out of. Now this looks a lot like a Fram-made filter, so I'm assuming it could be made by the same company. It's a nice crimp seam though. You can see the spots there. Look at that. Yeah, it feels nice. And bypass valve, 10 grams. And the can weighs 46 grams. And I was getting like 0.4 millimeters of thickness. 0.39 mil, well, yeah, it's about 0.41 millimeters. It's about average. 0.4 to 0.5 is about average. This is printed on, by the way. And the filter media is 2.40 inches wide. Yeah, you got these cardboard paper end caps. They're glued really nice though. It all feels glued together well. A little space there. Kind of a big space there. Yeah, this looks a lot like the Fram filters. Fram orange can filters. Alright, I say we cut this baby open, stretch her out, and see how long she is. Okay, here she is stretched out. And she's 53 3/4 inches long. Okay, and here she is at the seam. I got a little sample here to measure. .89 millimeters thick. That's pretty good. 8.8 to point. Usually a 0.8 is about average. Wish I had some filtration numbers for you guys. This was a requested filter, so I opened it up, but I don't know what the filter media is, and I don't know what the filtration numbers are. I must say though, this has got a nice crimp seam. I like this. I mean, usually they kind of just slap these guys on here, but this one is on here really well. Alright, let's look at the rest of the filter. So you got the cardboard end caps, nitro rubber and drain back valve. Base plate, could use a couple more threads there, but otherwise it looks nice. Center core, metal core with holes. And your bypass, I call it a bypass combo leaf spring because it holds everything tight. And your can, which is about normal size. So what do you guys think about this filter? I think you can probably get something better for the price, but without knowing filtration numbers, it's hard to say either way, you know. So I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The filter media weighs 20 grams.